All right, let's run through another Mtel question. This one says, use the table below to answer the question that follows. So if the sequence of numbers continues using the same pattern, which of the following expressions represents the value of the nth term in the sequence? And they're giving us 4 different equations that all contain n and presumably equal the value. So this is basically like x and y in a linear equation. They're giving us like basically y equals mx plus b type equations down here. So we should be able to plug in an n value, and it should come out to the value listed in the table. So the easiest numbers in the table are 1 and 2. So if I plug in 1 for n, I should get a value of 2 from each of these equations. It's possible that that could work for multiple equations, but let's try that first. So if I plug in 1 to this first equation, I get 2 minus 8 times 1. So just 2 minus 8, and that's going to give me negative 6. So I wanted that to come out to 2, and it didn't. It came out to negative 6, so that one didn't work because I plugged in the 1 for n, and the corresponding value should be 2, and we got negative 6, which is not right. So let's try b. 10 minus, I'll use 1 again, so 8 times 1 is 2. So this one worked. So we know that this first value works for this one. That looks good. We could definitely test another value if necessary. Let's try C and D with the 1 and the 2 first, though. So we have 8 times 1, plug in 1 in for n, minus 2. That's going to equal positive 6. So that doesn't look very good. And then 8 times 1 minus 10 is going to equal negative 2. So the only one that worked out with a random value from the table is B, so our answer must be B.